So if you suck at sales, you're definitely going to want to stay for this video. But first, go ahead and hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips like this. Now, getting into everything when it comes to AI sales and so on and so forth, one of the things you want to do is you want to prompt AI to act a certain way. So if you suck at sales, ask it to act as a collective mind of the best sales experts in the world or in the United States with over 10 to 20 years of experience. Its job is to help you with your sales process in your business or coming up with counters to objections. You can even ask it to act like a collective mind of certain people within the sales industry like Grant Cardone, Tony Robbins, Dean Graziosi, and so much more, and then emulate what they would do when it comes to problem solving and helping you solve whatever sales challenge you have in your business. So let's say you come up with an objection. Oh, I got to speak to my partner about it. Well, you can go to AI, and after you put in the prompt of act as a collective mind of the top sales experts in the world and emulate these sales experts with over 20 years of experience, your job is to help me within this sales process as well as handle objections and all other facets that go into the sales process. Do you understand? Once you put that prompt in, you will then be able to go ahead and ask AI to go ahead and assist you with some of the questions and problems that you have. And you will get better answers simply because you prompted it to act a certain way before asking for an answer. What this does is it puts AI into a certain state, or as you would put someone into a state of mind with words or music or coaching or so on and so forth. And you would change their state. The same thing happens with AI. And now it's better able to assist you not only in sales, but with objections and everything else. If this helped you, don't forget to follow me for more tips like this, and I'll see you in the next video.